Now we will learn how to express a quadratic equation as y equal to a multiplied by x minus b whole square plus c shape. Here you can see two examples. In the first example, we can see that the coefficient of x square is 1. So we will write it as it is, x square minus, we will write here a 2. We will write a x and we will write something so that this becomes equal to this. So we will write a 6 here because 2 into x into 6 equal to 12x plus. Here we have written 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 6. Then we will write 6 square. There is no 6 square in the equation above. So we will subtract this 6 square and then we will write the plus 1. So you can see that x square equal to x square, 12x equal to 2 into x into 6, 1 equal to 1, and we have brought this 6 square, so we subtracted this also. Now look at this portion, x square minus 2 into x minus 6 plus 6 square equal to, what can we write it? We can write it as x minus 6 whole square. We can write this because we know that a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here you can see that shape, a square minus 2ab plus b square. That means a minus b whole square minus 6 square, that means 36 plus 1 equal to x minus 6 whole square minus 35. So y equal to x minus 6 whole square minus 35. We expressed our given quadratic equation in the shape of a into x minus b whole square plus c shape. Now what will be the shape of the graph of this equation? It will be a happy face as the coefficient of x square is positive. So its graph will look like this and it will have a minimum point. At the minimum point this thing will be 0, that means x minus 6 equal to 0, x equal to 6. So x coordinate will be 6 and at the minimum point this value is 0. So y will be 0 minus 35, that means minus 35. So from this quadratic equation we expressed it in the shape of a into x minus b whole square plus c shape. And why this shape is necessary? This shape is necessary to find the minimum or maximum point easily. Here in case we got the minimum point and we found the minimum point as 6 minus 35. How? We equated this as 0 and we found the values of x from here, and equating this value as 0 we found the value of y from here. This is the minimum point. So if you are asked that what is the minimum value, when you will be asked this thing, minimum value means the value of y. The minimum value is y equal to minus 35. Where or when x equal to 6. When x equal to 6, the minimum value is minus 35. That means the value of y is always greater than or equal to minus 35. The value of y can be greater than minus 35, but it cannot be less than minus 35. So if you are asked the question from here, what is the range of this function? You will have the answer, range of this function is y greater than or equal to minus 35. What is the fact here? You already know that I have discussed in chapter function. The range is the set of values of y and it can be written as this shape, minus 35 to infinity. The minimum value is minus 35 and the maximum value is infinity. Now let's see our second example, y equal to minus 3x square minus 12x plus 11. When you will see that the coefficient of x square is not equal to 1, you will need to make its coefficient 1. So we will take this minus 3 as common. So we can write x square plus 4x. We won't take this inside the bracket, it will remain outside the bracket. Minus 3 x square plus, as before we will write 2 into x into what is needed to be written here so that it becomes 4x, we will write another 2 plus we will write these 2 and put a square on it, as I have written it here and there is no 2 square on the equation above. We will subtract it immediately. Plus 11 equal to, here you can see that x square is x square, 4x is 2 into x into 2. I have written an extra 2 square and subtracted it. Now see this portion. What can we write them? We can write them as x plus 2 whole square. Why? Because we all know that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. Minus 2 square, that means minus 4, and plus 11 as it is, equal to minus 3 multiplied by x plus 2 whole square minus minus plus 3 multiplied by 4, 12 plus 11, minus 3 x plus 2 whole square plus 23. Therefore y equal to minus 3 multiplied by x plus 2 whole square plus 23. As I have commanded to write it as y equal to a into x minus b whole square plus c shape, I have written here. Now what about its shape? I can clearly see here that the coefficient of x square is negative here, so its shape is a sad face. And what will be said about its maximum point? At maximum point this value is 0. That means x equal to minus 2. The coordinate of maximum is minus 2 comma something, and x plus 2 is 0. That means this value is 0. So the y value will be minus 3 multiplied by 0 plus 23 equal to 23. So the maximum point will be minus 2 comma 23. So this time if you are asked what is the maximum value of this function, the maximum value means the maximum value of y, and this is 23. And what can be said about the values of y? The value of y is at most 23 or less than that. That means the value of y is y less than or equal to 23. And this thing is called the range. If you are asked that what is the range of this function, range of this function is y less than or equal to 23.